Here comes Bart Jackson out of Mississippi. Struggled all year long, but he jump-started his season in Nashville. Finished 5th there, but he gets hung up for a little while as well and gets shot out the front end.
Yeah, that bull just whipping him down over the front end, just in the spin, got a little suck back, and I don't like the way Bart's holding his face. This is, I have so much respect for these guys, and Bart, his pain tolerance is out of this world. When you see a guy like that holding his face, it could be something pretty serious. He gets a pretty good shot right there, right between the horns.
The bull is called Misfire. Remember, Bart didn't ride from February to June last year. He had a broken shoulder and broken bones in his foot, and now Tony Mendez talking to him, could have a broken nose.